Hello, everyone. Welcome to the CodeSpeak Labs YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Edmar, and today I will be going over how to create a new kids Bitsbox account. Let's jump in. So the first thing we want to do is let's go ahead and go to bitsbox.com if we haven't already. And it will take us to this page right here. This is the main homepage of Bitsbox. Now, the next thing we want to do is let's go ahead and go to the top right-hand side of our screen, where it gives us three options: kids sign in, account, and cart. Let's go ahead and click on the first option that says kids sign in. So I click on kids sign in, and we are redirected to this page right here that says welcome to Bitsbox. And then there's a orangish, yellowish get started button. So let's go ahead and click on that button right there. Get started. Now we see a tablet with two questions. The first question is here for the first time, and that's the one we want to do because we are creating a brand new Bitsbox account. So let's go ahead and click on Let's Go. Now Bitsbox gives us a brand new tablet. Yes, okay. So from there, Bitsbox is asking us to create a new app, but before that, I will go ahead and create an account so that my project can be saved. To do that, let's go ahead and go to the top right-hand side of our screen again. Not the top right-hand side of the tablet, but of the whole screen. So let's go this way. And you should see three lines, 1, 2, 3, and this is our menu. So let's go ahead and click on those three lines. And you should see three options: Bitsbox main site, save your work, and exit. Let's go ahead and click on save your work. Now we are redirected to this part where that says create a free kids account to save your apps. And that's what we want. So once we're here, let's go ahead and type in our email, one that we have access to. For example, a school email or even a personal email if you have one. And make sure you get your parents' permission first. So let's go ahead and type in an email. Okay, and then let's go ahead and come up with a password. And let's go ahead and confirm that password. For this password, make sure that it is pretty easy for you to remember, but pretty strong, okay? And if you think you might forget it, let's go ahead and write it down, and let's not show anyone either, other than maybe potentially your parents. So that way, if you have any trouble logging in, your parents can help you. So my computer is asking me is suggesting this password, and I will go ahead and click on do not use because I will come up with my own password. So let's go ahead and come up with a password. Okay. And I think they might be different, so I will go ahead and type this out one more time. Okay, now that I have my email, one email that I have access to, and a password that I just created and wrote down so I won't forget, let's go ahead and click on the orange button that says sign up. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and type in not now. And then Bitsbox asks us if we have a home subscription. If you do, let's go ahead and click on yes, but for now, I will go ahead and say nope, I don't have a subscription. And then it says that's fine, have fun coding. And then let's go ahead and click on done. So now from here, I can go ahead and start creating my new apps. Before I do that though, I like to personalize my iPad. To do that, let's go ahead and go down to settings. And let's go ahead and choose a color. I like this green color for my iPad, so I will go ahead and go over to this. And then you can also choose a cool background for your app, your iPad, I mean, sorry, or tablet. So I will go ahead and I think this one might look cool. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, okay, so it looks really cool. So from here, Bitsbox will direct you to create a new app. This one right here, the food fight, or you could make a brand new app from here. And it says, do you have a Bitsbox book or card with you? If you do, answer yes. If you don't, like I don't, let's go ahead and click on no. And from here, the rest is up to you. But anyways, thank you all for seeing how to create a brand new Bitsbox account. That was it for today. I will see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.